Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here is the Amazon packaging. I am carefully opening it with a cutter and let's see what we got inside. I ordered the ESR hybrid case with stash stand and the ESR ultra tempered glass screen protector for iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's start with the case. I am opening the ESR hybrid case packaging and here is the case itself, and inside there are also a warranty card and a quick guide showing how to use the stand in different position. The case feels really sturdy and the design is sleek and beautiful. The built-in stand also feels strong and practical, perfect for hands-free viewing. Now let's move on to the tempered glass. I'm opening the packaging and here it is. It comes with a user manual and 3 sets of screen protectors. I also got this helpful tool to remove bubbles during application, super handy. Time to apply it. First I clean the screen using dry wipe. Then first step, I use the wet wipes to remove all the dust and the smudges from the screen. Now it's properly cleaned. It's time for second step. I use the dry wipes again to make sure the screen was clear and dry. Step 3. I use the dust removal sticker to pick up any leftover particles. Next I place the phone in the application tray. It makes the alignment so easy. Now gently press down on the top of the tray and pull, and the screen protector is applied. I remove the top plastic layer and just look at that, a perfect fit. I did see a few bubbles here and there, but the included tool helped me easily smooth them out. Now the tempered glass is applied perfectly, no bubbles left at all. It looks clean and crystal clear. Now it's time for the case. Before putting on the case, I clean the back of the phone with microfiber cloth. And I snap the phone into the hybrid case and wow, the fit is perfect. The phone looks stunning and I love how the stand works effortlessly, super functional and stylish. Here are a few close-up shots of the phone with the case on. It's giving classy and practical vibes all together. And that's it. iPhone 16 Pro Max is now all set with a crystal clear screen protector and a stunning hybrid case from ESR. I am really impressed with both the quality and design. This setup not only protect the phone but make it look even more premium. If you enjoyed this unboxing and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such content. See you in the next one.